Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to join a private league on Fantasy Premier League. Okay, so the first thing that you will need to do is to open your application, your Fantasy Premier League, and then just click on the Fantasy. Okay, this one. And then you will then just have to scroll down and then click on the Join Leagues. Okay, here you will have to type out the private code of the league so you can be able to join and then just click on join a league option. Okay, and then you can also try to click on the public if you want to. Here, you can just click on the join a league and it will be automatically be added since it is public. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to try that on. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.